everyone, it's Miss Allison from the Field Library, back to teach you another craft. Today I will be showing you how to make a tie-dye coffee filter butterfly. So let's get started.
Step 1. Look around your home and gather materials. Please make sure to ask an adult first if you can use any of these materials before we begin crafting. The wings of your butterfly will be a clean coffee filter. If you don't have a coffee filter, a paper towel works just as well. For the body, you will use a clothespin. Don't have a clothespin? No worries. A pipe cleaner or a twist tie works too. Grab some washable markers. These will be used to color the wings. Finally, to create the tie-dye design on the wings, you will need to get a spray bottle or use an eyedropper or straw to drip water onto the colored wings. Make sure you put something down to protect your workstation since it will be working with markers and water. You can use a paper plate, piece of cardboard, or an old towel as protection. Step 2. To begin, take your coffee filter or paper towel and color the surface using your markers. You can color in a pattern or just randomly cover your coffee filter. Be careful blending too many colors together or else you will end up with browns and blacks in your design. It's your butterfly, so you can make it as detailed or as minimal as you'd like. Cover the entire surface with color or leave white spaces. Have fun coloring something unique. Step 3. Once you have colored your coffee filter or paper towel, grab your spray bottle, eyedropper, or straw. For this step, make sure your workspace is well protected. You don't want to get water and ink all over the table. Drip or spray water all over your coffee filter. But remember, your coffee filter or paper towel is made of thin material, so you want to make sure you don't drench it in water. As it begins to get wet, the colors will bleed into one another to create a tie-dye effect. Step 4. Now that you've wet your coffee filter, leave it in the sun or a space in your home to dry. Make sure it is lying flat and that it dries completely before the next step. Step 5. Once your coffee filter is dried completely, you are going to take the left and right side and scrunch them inward toward one another. One folding technique is to fold each side inward like an accordion until your fingers meet in the middle. Take your clothespin, pipe cleaner, or twist tie and fasten either of them to the center. Here's your butterfly's body. Once you have placed the body, spread out the wings on the left and right so they are now more visible. And there you have it. You've made your very own coffee filter butterfly.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you have a lot of fun making your own tie-dye coffee filter butterfly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back at this channel to see more crafting tutorials coming soon. Bye!